come to my life and come talk about who is cheese? Me have my own blood clot opinion on this. Me not cheese fallabaka and me not cheese blood clot tiling. Cheese shit in a phone mouth and I need this for wipe it up. Me not fallabaka, me not groupie, me a bad girl. I'm a bad within myself. Me not need crowd nor drama. I mean I want to follow back over from cheese page over here, sir. Don't come over here, sir. Come here and cheese on a blood clot friend. You never begin a girl in a week and take it back and that my blood clot say. Who is cheese? That's me can have my own opinion. What the blood clot do know? That me say I give the girl we gonna talk about it. And you beg like you is a blind. You is a blind cheese. Cause every cheese me go in a supermarket go see, them have yai. You're the only blind blood clot cheese that me say. I say every day I sit down and watch my story and watch my page. So I feel like when I do this and I screenshot and send go get cheese, I feel like I'm not gonna get it back. Girl, my page not private. So anything cheese one thing can come over here. Remember me and a father backer. Me a one girl army. A year that I want to make you know. I want for this you know. Cause guess what? When cheese shit, it drop in a year mouth. You want this rent. I would have foreign a parent for 180. Eh? Na dog house you live in a. You know rent a spot. Move around. Look here. Move. Chain. Cheese. I want you do this. Move around. Move around. Move. Shh. Move around. I want you do that. Move around. I don't want to frighten you for them. Move around now. Move around there 180 room. Cheese, move around there 180 room. Move around now. Cause them fall there and move around. Me want you move around there your room of foreign. Move around now. All the fall them a live better than you. Move your blood clot to go on a foreign and live in a dog house. Move. Move around. Watch them. Move your blood clot. You can't move around a foreign in your room now. You can't move. And you don't buy no bed for your damn foreign. A people house you rent with them bed. Move your blood clot. A 2020 blood clot too. You not live no life of foreign junk. I show you touch a wrong blood clot you touch with. You send go for my cousin. Your class my pick. Suck good cheese. Wait till I come out. Come. Me have in my brain, my head, my heart, my stomach, every blood clot thing. You come talk about my daughter. Your son no suck blood clot, body and balls. What about your Batman son? Your son no suck body and balls. Eh? Your son no yam shit. Cause when he touch your balls, he touch the shit pit. Your Batman son, go suck your mother. But you're there on life, but I have my rent to pay. It's 180. Move your blood clot. We should have pick them. Hey girl, I'm not to mention up my blood clot kids them. Cause guess what? My kids them nice. I want to ask you one question. Cheese have no people will live in a Jamaica. Cause me see you over your page I come talk. But big pussy apple. Cheese, I can't call my pussy big. And you, Cheese, the first time you come on my beer, if anybody on my page, when know cheese and know apple, we are water it down to facts, you know. Where Cheese did come on my beer, come do the first time she come on my beer. She not come do no here. She have 2 people who live in Jamaica. Inbox me which parish them live. Cheese, when you talk about up in your category, Cheese, when me used to drop my jazz and shit the only time me see you and I want pizza, me don't know if you as no human being. What I done? Cheese, you're that foreign and you don't make sense. You're that foreign and lose your work through your love blood clot smoke. You're that foreign, and the first time you reach a foreign, them give you a nurse work. And you lose your work because you love blood clots work. And you lose your work because you love blood clot smoke. You're a rummy than a smoker. Any girl will love smoke and love rum and blood clot jinky. You're a fuckatan. You're a batchy dolly. You hear? Shit house. So when you come blood clot talk, cheese me can take off my clothes. In front of me and back of me. My shape good enough blood clot and me not ask Christ. Me not. Them are people that's there so with them nice. I'm gonna go over here. So. Cheese, you're cooked. You're cooked. You're heroin blood clot taker from your dad Jamaica. You take coke. Nobody no know of you as nobody. Cause guess what now? If even the raw dog send money to come help with the girl named Candy and your blood clot teeth it. Raw dog send money for Candy and your teeth it. Who the thief? So you living at the people them house are foreign. You got foreign and people throw you out. You got foreign already and landlord throw you out. You not even reach 6 weeks of foreign and people start throw you out already. You walk and move around. Move around now. But $180 for your blood clot house. Which house are foreign for $180? That together to say you shame yourself. Here's a blood clot toilet. See ya? Inna say up there. Inna say you there. A shit with shit and drop by you is a cockroach. Move your blood clot. You're not nobody. So the pussy them over your life, I can make you feel like nobody. Pussy wall. You just a talk off your mouth you over there. Nobody no rent room a foreign for 180. Them give you a bed spot. Like when they're foreign, like when they're down a hospital, and them give you a bed. That is a bed spot. First thing they're foreign, your curtain all no blood clot. Move your head from your curtain. A plain curtain people are wear. Plain blood clot curtain. Nobody now wear no. I see a girl for walk and black people up on their life. Cheese and you say you're a bad girl. I say them a bad girl. And I make so much worry if you're black people, I'm not black clot girl.